Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2018 Thor A.C.E 27.2. There's a lot to see and a lot to like. Come on in, let's take a look. Right, starting in the back of this brand new 2018 27.2 A.C.E, you got a king-size bed. That's a big thing in a coach that's under 30 feet. You don't find many with that feature. Another fun thing, you've got a charging station over here. It's got USB power. You've also got 110 in the base of the pedestal for the bed on both sides. Got nice storage space over here as well for tablets, cell phones, etc. Got a nice big TV up here with entertainment as well. When we go around, let's start talking about the bathroom, because in here you do have a very nicely sized shower. I'm about 5'9", I weigh about 200, and as you can see, my hands aren't touching the other side. There's plenty of room for me to move around in here. As we go out into the rest of the coach, wardrobe space, plenty, lots of stuff there. Got a good little dresser drawer here, and also as we work out into the pantry, you've got slide out drawers. That's going to make it very, very convenient. From here, something different for 2018. This is a Danby Designer all-electric refrigerator, not the standard gas electric that you're used to in the past. So this will make things a little bit more interesting when you're going out on the road. You've got an inverter that's dedicated for it as well, right there. So you won't have to worry about power supply issues for this ever. Fully equipped kitchen. So you've got your microwave, you've got your 3-burner gas cooktop. And then check this out, they've actually put the larger stove option available. You do have plenty of room in there to roast a whole chicken, bake a lasagna. You might even be able to get a small turkey in there as well, no problem. Lots of countertop space. This is another big feature on here. You've got plenty of room to put a coffee pot, to put some floral arrangements. You've got 110 power up top. Got a nice big stainless steel sink. That's going to be great because I can actually fit my whole pasta pot in there. I can fit cast iron pans in there. You can really do everything here. Let's move out into the lounge a little bit. You've got a very nice 4-person dinette, and as you can see when I'm sitting in here, there is plenty of room for another person back here as well. Got plenty of footroom down here so you're not knocking knees with people. Got a nice big 40-inch TV. Got a nice jackknife sofa over here as well. So you can very comfortably entertain lots of people in here and not have to worry about turning heads every which way to have a conversation. Everything's right across, so you can just have lots of good family time. As we move into the cab of the coach, one thing to notice, you do have a nice little workstation here, and that is going to give you 110 power, and you've also got a 12-volt charger right here as well. So real good spot for you to do a little work when you're on the road, or just update Facebook and make your friends jealous of all the fun you're having. This coach is also going to be on a Ford F53 chassis that is going to be featuring a 6.8 liter Triton V10 motor. That's going to have 320 horsepower and about 460 foot-pounds of torque with a 6-speed transmission. You've also got down here, you're going to have USB and HDMI. That's going to allow you to plug right into this, and that's going to allow you to mirror your phone to the console up here. So rather than having a GPS unit, which you got to kind of go through a bit of a hassle to update, your phone's going to update frequently throughout the day, and you will always have the most up-to-date maps. And this is going to feature a touch screen as well, as you can see, so that you can always control your phone and everything without having to break the law. Last thing to note, this is of course going to have your auto leveling jacks. It's really simple. All you got to do, turn the power on, hit auto, that's it. When you're ready to go, turn the power back on, hit all retract, you're on the road. Last thing to note in this coach before we go outside is this guy up here. This is a bunk that's going to drop down right out of the ceiling. You've got your ladder right here, and this does have a 250-pound capacity for a little twin bed. So any adult, any child pretty much can sleep up there. Very comfortable. Let's go have a look at the exterior. Right, so on the exterior of this Thor A.C.E 27.2, first thing to note, you do have side view cameras. Thor is very safety conscious, and these are actually up top on the mirrors. A lot of times when you have them down here, like you expect to see in them, they're going to have a tendency to get gummed up with road debris and stuff like that. As we work around, you do have an outdoor TV with marine grade speakers, and you do have nice storage space out here as well. This is actually a pass-through storage bay. And as we work our way around a little bit more, key to note, you've got 110 power out here as well if you wanted to plug in a Traeger or something like that and have a barbecue. You've also got a little bit more storage back here as well. Working our way around to the back, you are of course going to have your backup camera. That is of course key. You're also going to have your trailer hitch, and something that's kind of unique, they're actually mounted the fuel filler cap in the back. That actually fixes it so you can go to either side of the pump and really not have to worry about maneuvering in tight confines at the filling station. And in here is of course your wet bay. Everything is very simple. You've got your outdoor shower, you've got your black and gray drains. Very simply organized and easy to identify. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time we have to discuss this Thor ACE 27.2 for 2018. Once again, my name is Erik.Sakshaug. There is a lot to talk about this coach that we haven't quite covered yet, but it's all the time I've got. If you've got any more questions about this coach or any of the other wonderful products here, please feel free to contact me using the information below on the screen, or if you wish, please feel free to contact me directly on my cell. That number is 541-513-3171. Hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.